up, y'all? Welcome back to another hair video. I hope you guys have been well. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing. And for my babes, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a hair review, and we got these beautiful long 24-inch curls from Yolisa Hair. This wig is cute. I love it. Okay, it's my type of babes. All right, let's unbox how the wig came in, and then we're gonna get straight into the video. So the hair came in this silk bag, and then at the back it has all the details of the company. This hair is a 24-inch frontal HD. Okay, HD lace, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, ready to go type of wig. You guys will see in the video what I do to it. So yeah, let's just unbox what's in this silk bag, because they gave me quite a lot of things. They gave me a hairbrush that you can use to lay your edges. I didn't do any edges, so that's for keeps. And they gave me, this looks like a headband, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it's a headband. Do you wrap it around your head? I think you wrap it around. I could be wrong. You guys let me know in the comments. I think that's after you use the headband. And then this is the headband, and it's just written Yolisa Hair. Pretty in pink. And then they gave me an HD cap. I did not use this HD wig cap because I just feel like it looks more natural and more beautiful. Like you can really see what the lace is giving when you're not wearing a wig cap. Can y'all? Yeah. And then they gave me a pair of lashes. I already have individual lashes on, so I didn't need to wear this. So yeah, I'm gonna leave down the details in the description box for you to check out this wig. Okay, very soft. It's giving very much like it's my type of babe of hair. Like I'm pleasantly surprised, and I love it. So shout out to Yolisa Hair for this beautiful hair. And it is very long. You guys, the back, yeah, that's how long the 24-inch is. So yeah, you guys should definitely check it out. And if you're interested to see how I achieved this really simple, quick and easy install, then you can continue watching. this wig was quick and easy. You know when they say quick and easy, this is what installing this wig gave, because it came ready, pre-ready with everything. The knots were bleached, okay honey, hairline plugged, okay, like I just glued it on and it is ready. These curls are actually so soft. Like this is the type of hair that I'll keep, child. Like I can see myself wearing this hair like for a very long time. It's for keeps for sure, because these curls are so soft. And this lace is HD base. It is HD, like you can barely see anything. I love this, I love it. And it is full. It is actually very, let me just put everything in the front so you guys can see. And it is a 24-inch, so it is quite long. It's very long, babes. Okay, get into the curls, babes. Yeah, so I'm basically done with this hair, y'all. I hope you guys got to see how quick and easy it is, how beautiful the lace is, and how soft and long the curls are. And I hope you guys check out this hair. I'll leave the details in the description box of it. Check it out, check out their website. The shipping is also very fast to South Africa. They use Aramex. So babes, don't sleep, don't sleep. I'm literally being so honest with you guys. I love this wig. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.